Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon imageCLASS LBP214dw printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and after that scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Canon imageCLASS LBP214dw printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon printer. Open this link. This is our printer name and here we find support. Open the whatever first link is. Open the first link and official website of the Canon printer is open. Click on I accept or decline. I click on the decline. Here we find many options. Scroll down. Here we find many options. Go to the drivers and here we find the operating system. Select your operating system. If it's not select Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. If Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. After that, this page goes to the refresh automatically. After that, scroll down. Here we find our generic plus drivers. This is our drivers. Click on this. Click on this first driver. Click on this plus driver. Click on whatever first driver is available for us. Click on that. And it's redirect to the another page. And here we find the download. Click on this download button. Click on this download button. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to unzip this driver. That is also easy and simple. These setup files are actually a zip file and we are going to unzip these zip files. Right click on it. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. It's extracted folder on our desktop. Here we find our newly created folder. Double click on it. Here we find 32-bit or 64. Okay, our bit is 64, so I go to the 64-bit and click on the driver and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Click on the yes. Click on the close this. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select this, check this, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and if you find USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you want. Select USB port, click on the next, click on hard disk, go to the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on x64. If you're using 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. I'm using 64-bit, so I go to the x64 driver. Here we find our driver. Select that. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Canon generic plus PCL6. This is our printer. This is the generic PCLC. This is our actual printer. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give Canon LBP214dw. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. Give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing your printer and it's take 1 to 5 minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take 1 to 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. After installation is complete, we go to our next step. Our installation is complete. If you want to share this printer on a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, if you find your printer name Canon LBP214dw, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.